Good morning, I'm Mike Noondorfer with Advanced RV in Cleveland, Ohio. And I'm here this morning to give you an update on our quiet air conditioner status. We have installed our quiet air conditioner for almost every client who has purchased an RV in the last several months. And the draw there is whisper quiet, about 3 times more quiet than the other two we tested. It is 20% more efficient than the other two, and it's very rugged and it's an excellent design. This air conditioner is designed in Australia. It's manufactured to very high standards in Asia. And some of the things that make it excellent are the controls. It automatically raises the temperature a couple degrees during the night so that as your body metabolism slows down, you're not cold. If you slept in air conditioning in the past, you know, sometimes you wake up in the middle of the night and you're cold because you're not generating as much heat. So the air conditioner kind of knows that and ramps the temperature, the set point, up a couple degrees during the night. There's a dehumidifier mode, and there are a lot of other things that we can talk about. But the big thing is this air conditioner is super quiet. In the past, the air conditioners that Marsh and I have used are like jet engines, and they wake you up every time that they cycle in the night. So this is, I don't know if you can hear this on my mic, but this is a typical one that we put in before. This one is literally 3 times quieter. It's cooling its max right now, and so you can get a sense from my mic how it compares. If you're interested, this is a time to think about air conditioning for the summer. We want to schedule this because we want to schedule our production time, and also because we're about ready to make the next order of air conditioners, and we want to know how many to get in stock so that people don't have to wait. Right now, we are installing all of the quiet air conditioners so that we make sure that there's absolutely no chance of leak, and we learn about the different installations. So if you have a B, a B+, a C, or an A motorhome with air conditioners that are too loud, contact us. We'd be glad to give you a price and a schedule for installing a quiet air conditioner. Call us if you have questions, and thanks for watching.